Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat mga ka-excellence and kasalto. Another short video lang po para po sa mga nag-message requesting about the history of our Gilmore hat. Our first stocks come from Carol Naismith of Blackwater Farms way back 2008. Kasabay po itong dumating ng mga sweaters also from Carol Naismith. Carol Gilmore's was the typical dark ones and are just mga medium stationed lang sila, mostly green-legged and peacombs. For us, they have been a reliable genetic, very classic dark color type of hatch. Medyo mabalahibo din sila. I remember the first trio that Carol sent us was the one marked right nose, right in. Another family of Gilmore na meron kami rito is the one we got from our very good friend and idol, Red Game Farm. Compared to Blackwater Farms na Gilmore, itong sa Red ay lighter in color, tight feather din sila, at very slick na yung itsura. Yung physical balance nila makes them stand out in any breeding program. Nakaka-add sila ng vigor sa any good family at usually very early maturing sila, especially when raised healthy. Another one thing na we really like about them is the predictability in breeding. They usually produce uniform looking stags and pullets. As to where we cross them, we usually cross them with sweaters and grays. These crosses have been consistent. Yung produkto nila are usually highly athletic stags. So muli po mga kasabong, maraming pong salamat for watching and we'll see you on our next video. Again po, ito po yung aming Gilmore hatch. Thank you po.